In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use window tiling on your Mac. The first way of tiling windows to your Mac is by firstly opening the window, and then you want to drag this window to any side of your screen. For this example, I'm going to drag it to the left hand side of the screen, and then you'll see a preview of the tile. So when I release the window, it's going to lock it in place into the left hand side tile. And if I want to remove it from that tile, I simply need to drag it out of it, and it will resize the window back to its previous form. You can also tile your windows into quarter sections by dragging it to any corner of your screen, just like so. And if you want to create a full screen tile, you want to drag the window to the top of the screen, and as you can see, that has now created a full screen window. And if you want to remove this from its tile, you want to drag it off the tile, and it's going to resize it back to its previous form. The second way of tiling windows on your Mac is by hovering your mouse over the green tile button, and this will open the tile menu with three sections. The first section is the Move and Resize section, and if you select any of these options, it's only going to move that specific window to that tile, as you can see. The second section of the Windows tiling menu is the Fill and Arrange section. Now this works in a similar way, where it will move your current window to that current tile, but it will also rearrange other windows into the other available tiles. So if I select this option, it will move my current window to the left, and my other windows to the other available tiles to the right, as you can see. If you have two windows tiled side by side like this, you can resize each of the tiles by hovering your mouse over the middle of the tiles and dragging this little notch icon to resize the tiles at the same time. The third section of the tiling menu is full screen, and you'll get entire screen, left side of screen and right side of screen. All this will do is open your application in full screen in another desktop, and you can swipe between the desktops if you wish to do so. And that is how you tile your windows on your Mac. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.